Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will discuss about most famous and trusted Android app to mine bitcoins, or you can say cryptocurrencies. This application is recently updated. This is the update. First of all, go and see application version 6.0.1. Today I will discuss about this version, updated version, not the previous version. Already uploaded 2 or 3 videos regarding the older one. Basically, you can watch videos to get rewarded, basic things, or you can also earn more rewards by using all these tasks. Here is the categories of all this. You can select any of this category to get rewarded. My current balance is 85.9 thousand. You need 400 key balls before you can withdraw. It means you need minimum of 4 lakhs balls to withdraw your balance. There are 3 options: Storm, Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm using Zeppo wallet. You can select switch to Coinbase or Zeppo. This app look more professional than before because of its new graphical user interface. I found it more user friendly. Here is the option. But it misses the boost option at the bottom of previous version. Here you will find boost option to boost your offers, but in this version you will not find any boost option. So thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and share if you like this video. Thank you so much.